In this tutorial, you will learn how to sort a pivot table. Sorting your data might be necessary when you are designing or examining a pivot table in order to bring the values that matter first, or just to give it a sense of order. Excel offers you some easy ways to do this. On the spreadsheet that we prepared, we put a sort of function directly into the pivot table. This is standard for any new pivot table that is created. From here, we can choose to sort the columns alphabetically in ascending or descending order. Apart from this option, you can select the Data menu on the ribbon and choose Sort on any of the fields in the pivot table. Your data will update according to your selection. Also, there are predefined lists that you can use. Let's say we want to sort by the name of the month and later on by the year. Click Sort from the Data menu on the ribbon and select More Options, then choose your primary sort key. Click OK. The pivot table will update according to your selection. Congratulations, you have now learned how to sort your data in a pivot table.